Hey guys, today I'm going to build a Pentagonal Floppy Cube out of this YJ Floppy Ghost Cube. Before cutting on the bandsaw, I had to glue these caps on, so what I did about that is I just got some super glue and then just glued them on. Then I went to the bandsaw and then I proceeded to make the cuts. I basically just cut off everything that was sticking out a little bit too far. I got the Apoxie Sculpt out and then I mixed it up so that I could fill all the pieces and then I could also extend it afterwards. I roughened up the surfaces where I was going to extend and then I just put the Apoxie Sculpt on to make the correct shape. I also used some plastic sheeting to extend the center pieces. That way I wouldn't have to seal down the cap and make the screw inaccessible. So I just measured where I was going to cut and then I used a sharp blade to cut it out and then I just snapped the pieces off and glued them on. Then once I was done with that, I sanded everything down that would prevent it from being assembled and then I assembled it. As you could see, now it's sort of got its shape, so I sanded it on the belt sander to get a perfect shape. The shape looks pretty good, except some of the pieces aren't filled all the way, so I need to disassemble it so that I could fill some of the pieces a little bit extra. But before disassembling it, I roughened up the surfaces that I needed to extend, just to make sure the epoxy would stick. So I mixed up a little amount of Apoxie Sculpt just to extend the small amount of pieces, and then I disassembled the puzzle. This piece, the shape is a little bit too small in one dimension, so I just used Apoxie Sculpt to build up that shape. After that was done, I sanded down the puzzle in the belt sander again, and then once the shape was looking good, I disassembled it and then I used a nail file and Scotch-Brite to round over the edges and give all the pieces a really nice finish. Everything's looking and turning pretty well, so I used some Scotch-Brite to rub down all the faces to make sure the paint will stick, and then I just gave the faces a few coats of gloss black spray paint. And now you can see it's finished. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to sticker it up before releasing this video, but I was able to sticker one side. You could see that it has shape-shifting moves like a super floppy cube mechanism allows. And it turns pretty well and the shape's pretty good, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. Also, I just want to let you know that I opened up an Etsy shop, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. So if you would like to buy one of my custom mods, you could go there to get it. Currently, I only have a few listings, but I'm going to put up a lot more in the future. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video.